Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make banana ice cream with only 3 ingredients. I'll be making use of 3 bananas, half cup of powdered milk, and 1/3 cup of condensed milk. I'll begin by peeling the bananas. These are ripe bananas, so you need to make sure that the bananas you use are ripe so that the ice cream can be sweet. After peeling it, I'll cut them into pieces. You can actually cut this straight into your blender, but I prefer to cut it this way, then I'll mash it before transferring it into the blender. With the help of the fork, I'll mash this before transferring it into the blender. I'm now transferring the mashed banana into the blender. Then the powdered milk, a cup of water. Then I'll cover this and blend. After blending the banana with the powdered milk, I'll go ahead and add the condensed milk. Then I'll blend again. Now let's transfer this into a bowl. This looks so creamy and yummy. After transferring this into a bowl, I'll raise the blender and pour it back into it. Then I'll mix this very well with a spoon. At this point, you can add some vanilla essence or any flavor of your choice, but I'll not be adding any of that. So right now, all we need to do is to go ahead and transfer this into the freezer to freeze, and we have our banana ice cream. But before I do that, I'll transfer it into my cups. So I'll be using these cups to freeze the banana ice cream. When you put your ice creams into cups like this and freeze with the sticks inserted in them, it is called abeluals in Ghana. So that is exactly what I'm doing. But you can skip this part and go ahead and freeze it. You can also enjoy it as a smoothie. So I'll leave this in the freezer till the next day and show you what it looks like. This is the next day, and as we can see, our banana ice cream is ready. So I'll take this out of the cups and show you. And this is what we have here. So this is how the ice cream looks like. It melts right in the mouth. And here I took one of them and I tasted it. I gave it a bite. And trust me, it tasted so good. You need to give this a try. Please like the video and let me know what you think in the comment section. Hello lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we made this yummy ice cream using flour and milk as our main ingredients. This ice cream is perfect for the hot weather and you don't need a lot of ingredients. So into a pan, I'll go in and add half cup of flour. I'm using soft flour, you can use all-purpose flour. Then I'll add water to it and mix until there are no lumps in it. The amount of water to be added depends on how light or thick you want your ice cream to be. So after doing that, I will transfer this onto the fire, then I'll stir until it begins to thicken. As it thickens, I'll add more water to loosen it a bit. So as I said earlier, the amount of water you add depends on how light or thick you want it to be. Then after that, I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of margarine. The margarine is going to enhance the color and also make it creamy. So at this point, I'll take it off the fire and transfer into my mixing bowl. Then into another bowl, I'll mix the powdered milk with water. The water should be at room temperature, so I'm using 1 cup of powdered milk. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Thank you. So I'll pour that into the mixing bowl and mix everything together. So mix it until it becomes uniform and there are no lumps in it, or the lumps should just be minimal. If there are lumps and you don't want the lumps, you can go ahead and continue mixing it, but this is okay for me. So I'll go ahead and add the condensed milk. I'll be using condensed milk as sweetener. I will not be using any sugar. Then after the condensed milk, I'll add vanilla essence to enhance the flavor, and that's it. We have our ice cream. So whatever you are using as sweetener, please add it to your taste. If you are using sugar, add the sugar to your taste. If you are using condensed milk, add it to your taste. You can also use both condensed milk and sugar. Then the last thing I'll be doing is to transfer this into our cups. Then I'll insert the sticks. Keep this in the freezer overnight for it to freeze. Then we'll see how it looks like the next day. I've also tied some like this, and then I'll also put it in the freezer. So let's see what this looks like tomorrow. It's the next day and this is how our ice cream looks like. It's well frozen. It's perfect for the weather. I'll pour some amount of water into the plate so I can easily remove the ice cream from the cup. Thank you, lovely people, for watching to this point. So if you have some milk and flour, please go ahead and give this recipe a try and you will come back and testify. My family told me it tasted like yogurt, but I want you to also give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments section. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.